very shameful that as a nation today, we hear the former deputy president saying that 2027 will be like 2007, there will be bloodbath. I never knew that His Excellency, the former deputy president, can be a prophet of doom and does not wish well this nation. It is very reckless for any leader to make a comment that 2027 there will be war and ethnic clashes in this nation. We call upon every leader to be sensitive in the statements they are making. As the government of William Ruto, it may be true that we had a problem with Gachagua, but we don't have a problem with the Kikuyu community. Gashagua's problem is not a community problem. It is his own problem as a politician. And there is no way out he will come and dictate us and tell us what we are doing. Let him stop. We're asking him, and let them listen from us here, that let him stop the drama. Let him stop the foolishness and the madness that is trying to take this country into darkness. As a governor of Kericho County, I have Kikuyus. The entire Londiani ward, the entire of the Noni ward are Kikuyus. They are residents of Kericho. We have Kisis living in Kericho. And we have made a vow that not again are we going to have bloodshed in this country. And any leader that is speaking of war and blowing trumpets of war must be arrested. In fact, I call my brother C.S. Murkomen to quickly ask Gachagua to go and record statements. What does he know? When he tells us there will be war and blood in 2027, what does he know?
Na ningependa kushukuru wabunge wa taifa hili kwa sababu ya kuimpeach yule ambaye anaitwa Rigathi Gachagua. Huyu jamaa alikuwa ameleta shida kwa mheshimiwa rais mwenyewe, akimblackmail. Umeona hata sasa bado anatublackmail. Vile juzi amefanya mkutano na akapanga watu wa kurusha mawe huko, na ni the same team, ameleta vikundi viwili, na pia yeye ndio alipata kuleta hizo shida, hiyo mzozo ambayo tuliona. Hiyo sio serikali vile wanajaribu kusema. Hiyo ni mpango ambaye mtu anataka kutafuta sympathy. Katika taifa letu la Kenya tumetoka mbali, na vile tumetoka mbali, ningependa kusema hivi kwamba tunahitaji taifa moja ikiongozwa na kiongozi mmoja ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Rais Daktari William Samoei Ruto.
Usirutie na baraini Kenya chini kitabu cha Luka kulkan lo akoy sa som asisit nagiging sa isang pagkoy choton to indo di tegetikwa enu kumawait sinuti ketigili kule midi wega butu ye kule o majo kule o miyo ay chimi Mheshimiwa yu, Mheshimiwa Gabriel, Mheshimiwa Mite.
Mungkin hati yang kami selalu kok kuahnya gitu ya, apa kalau di sini kita semua kan betul. So kami tipe kami sakit buat dan lalu gitu. Kamu tiga ada tuh dah tiga. Dah ada yang mati dah jauh, nak tadi pun. Kamu ni, apa itu orang sini ya? Betul baik kan masih kali itu. Oh mereka kan? Ada orang sini nak ngomong kayak gitu. Apa sah? Đâu một sự cảm xúc trăm mình bị chút cái cả xin rồi vậy, áo bố thì gọi là bồi, cái này bố cũng là tôi như cái ông với mẹ nó mọi người của cái này, là cái niên nó buồn lắm, cái cả xin để ra ta, cái là như người suy nghĩ, nó hay mà ta hỏi qua đây, đây sẽ cái chuyện là gì đấy, có cái này, lấy cái một cái one, và cái 8 grade 9, that is good.